All right, let's get a check on the crypto market now. Let's get to see what's happening there. I know it was profit taking yesterday, but now we're seeing some green on the screen. But on the flip side, Ethereum was mostly in the green when Bitcoin was down. But now Ethereum is in red while Bitcoin is in green, and major markets that we track at this time. Let's look at some headlines now. We see an Ethereum whale has transferred $50 million from Binance. That's taking off most of those Ethereum to the private wallet. So investors are wondering what this whale is trying to do at this time. Then we see a decade-old Bitcoin wallet just became active at this time. We know there are a couple of people that track most of the old Bitcoin wallets. So when these wallets come online, it means something is about to happen. Maybe they're trying to sell off some Bitcoin at this time. All right, let's talk about issues in the market. Now we have Rume Dominic joining us. He's the Deputy Managing Director at Aviat Industries. Hello, Rume.
Hello, Ladi.
Fantastic. It's great to have you, Rume. So I saw reports yesterday of Binance might be bringing back their P2P market in Nigeria, but I've not heard anything from Binance here. It's just chatter right now on social media. But talk to me about the prospects of the P2P market, a more regulated version, returning back to Nigeria.
The P2P market, you can imagine a global market that you need to access crypto for Naira, but that global market is just on your phone. And that's the possibility that the P2P market always brings to the cryptocurrency traders. For Binance as a platform that offers such a service, that particular service that we are offering at a point in time was cut down by the Nigerian government. And because there is a clear regulatory framework at the moment in the Nigerian cryptocurrency ecospace, followed by this recent RIP program that has also been launched, we're hearing rumors that the Binance peer-to-peer platform is going to come back. Although it is somehow a bad news for people that have been able to curb the Naira to dollar inflation in some way, that they think that they have curbed it because they were able to close the Binance peer-to-peer, because we'll start seeing another maybe high level of fluctuation in the Naira. But overall, I think it's a good thing if the Binance peer-to-peer marketplace resumes in the country.
Right, and definitely this plays into most of these crypto platforms actually paying tax, to the Nigerian government. How's the industry, that's most of these investors, how are they seeing the expectations for their trades, being taxed?
The reactions from the traders have been alarming, because a lot of traders were agitated. A couple of them did understand, because when you come from that point of understanding, you then have a framework of the rate at which they are charging you or what they are charging you for. So it is important for us to educate our listeners on what they are actually being charged on. So what the government is charging you on just your transaction fee. Let's say you are exchanging from Bitcoin to USDT and the transaction fee is $1. So they are charging you a VAT on just that transaction fee, not your capital itself or the volume at which you are exchanging. And they don't even charge you, they charge the cryptocurrency exchanges providing that service. So with Binance having a lot of millions of users coming back into Nigeria to be able to offer such a service, the Nigerian government would actually be able to make a sufficient amount of return from that particular tax.
Right, and just quickly now, before I let you go, we had Powell's comments yesterday at Congress. How do you see that impacting the crypto market?
The comments, truly, my very good friend, is something that would impact the liquidity in the financial system. Decisions on interest rates and open market operations, they usually directly impact the liquidity in the financial system, and they affect various asset classes. Where consumers and investors will now start hoarding cash and they will refuse to spend, even when the economic policy makers cut interest rates, they will still hold this cash and they will refuse to spend. So this decision that they have made will truly affect the liquidity in the financial system.
Right, I guess all investors want to know is when is the U.S. Fed going to cut rates? We'll definitely find out at some point. Thank you so much, Rume Dominic, Deputy Managing Director at Aviate Industry and founder at Vorum. Thank you.
I'm grateful. Thank you for having me.
All right, that's the show today. Visit channelcv.com for more updates. You can also watch our YouTube channel again if you want to see this again. Thank you for watching. I'm Ladi Williams from the team right here at Channels HQ. It's bye for now.